I told you very simply what is kinetic and potential energy so you can remember for the long time, very long time. When body has the velocity, that is body has the displacement in the straight line. Displacement in the straight line, so we can say body has a velocity. Then body can possess the kinetic energy. We clearly see in the motion of the body. So we say that yes, the body has the kinetic energy. And the formula of the kinetic energy is 1 half mass of body multiplied by v square, velocity of the body is square, 1 half mv square. This is a simple formula of the kinetic energy we clearly see. While potential energy arises due to the position of the body in certain field. Position of the body in certain field. When we place the body in gravitational field, electric field or magnetic field, either field, then we say that that body can possess the potential energy. It depends upon the distance from the source. Distance from the source. Suppose any body above the earth having the mass m, then we can say that gravitational potential energy is mgh. Mass of the body, g acceleration due to gravity, h is the height, distance from the earth, distance from the source. So the potential energy is stored energy in the body. Stored energy in the body. When we free the body, the potential energy converted into the kinetic energy. Potential energy converted into the kinetic energy. So the kinetic energy is the motion. We clearly see the kinetic energy, but potential energy we not seen. Potential energy stored energy inside the body due to its position in certain field. Stored energy due to its position in field. Share this simple example here. Thanks.